The first project that we are going to talk about here is the battery management system for the space applications. Question is, what is this BMS and why is it so important? India has been making a lot of progress in the domain of batteries, in the domain of electronics. However, if you still see that the BMS parts still being imported from outside India, and even though there are few BMS that are available in India right now, they are not very accurate. So to provide the accuracy and at the same time the affordability, that is the low cost solution, we are attempting to make an indigenous BMS system, and that will be also tested, and we are going to do the field trial along with DRDO lab. In this regard, we are doing a collaboration with DRDO lab in Hyderabad, and I am very happy to introduce that in my team we are having the research scholars and the postdoctoral fellows who are taking the lead, and I am sure that together we will be making a successful attempt to get this indigenous BMS, which is accurate on one hand and on the other hand it is going to be low cost.
We are developing a real-time and highly accurate battery management system for space-qualified lithium-ion batteries, which are very critical subsystems of any satellite application. Their accurate monitoring is required to prevent any catastrophic situation. Therefore, we have developed a state-of-the-art model-based battery estimation algorithm for estimating the state of charge, state of health, state of power and state of function of lithium-ion batteries.
The BMS algorithms have been developed on Shakti Vajra system on chip, India's first indigenous processor. It provides functionalities such as overcharge, undercharge and overcurrent protection, as well as automatic cell balancing and uploading data to the cloud. Such a novel design provides power efficient as well as high speed solution for highly complex BMS.
This battery management system project that is jointly being executed along with one of the prestigious DRDO labs based in Hyderabad. So we are quite sure that we will be in a position to come up with the very accurate yet low cost and indigenous battery management system that would be really be useful for our space applications as well as defense.
Here I am demonstrating the system. It's called the mask aligner system, which is used for the photolithography of the silicon. Here basically we do the patterning process of the silicon, which is used for the bulk and surface micro machining. So this is the mask that we use for the patterning, and a different kind of mask is used. The UV was get exposed on the sample by means of the mask, and pattern will capture on the silicon cell.
Here I am going to explain about the wet etching process, which is applicable to sensor fabrication. Here in this process we are going to fabricate the structures for sensors on silicon and glass wafers, which are patterned via lithography process. This is the wet etching bath, where we micromachine our samples after lithography process by using required concentration of etchant and required temperature.
After the process of micromachining, we do the characterization. First is the ellipsometry. Through ellipsometry, we see the before and after etch film thickness. Then second is optical microscopy. Through optical microscopy, we see the patterns of the silicon that are formed in the silicon chip. Then we see the surface roughness and etch depth through the 3D laser microscopy.